I don't. My hours are too long, and I'm getting too old to do the long hours. So I wanted to find something where I could replace my income, and the online business seems to be the way to go. I think the main thing for being with Alex Ryan is I'm not alone in the course. There's a lot of people I can contact and get information from, and I'm not alone, which is the big part when you're starting a business. I'm tracking a few products to see how we go with those, but I haven't decided on a product yet. I've learnt many things from the course. Like I said, not being alone. The mentorship, that's there. I think just to keep going, don't give up on what it is that you want. I would recommend it to everybody who's interested in getting out of making a lifestyle change. Yes, I would definitely recommend it. Just don't buy my products.